Hey everyone, welcome to this week's episode. Today I'm going to a place called Lake Julia. It's in DuPont State Forest, an area that I really like to come to. And we're gonna go check out the lake and see what we can find. So I hope everyone is having an awesome 2020 so far. It's right in the middle of January, and it's pretty cold out. It's a cold winter day. It's around 50 degrees, 40, mid 40s, 50 degrees. A little too cold for Sarah to come along, so I'm out here by myself. I've just been cooped up in the house for a while and really haven't gone out hiking too much. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me and have some fun. One of my favorite things about DuPont State Forest is that it's so huge, you can find new places all the time. I've never been to this particular area, and it's very, very peaceful, very calm, which I really enjoy about nature. And so both Sarah and I, we grew up in New Jersey, which is a pretty heavily populated area. It's very built up, and we decided that we needed to change when we moved down to Asheville. And I had already been taking some landscape photography and going hiking where I could in New Jersey, but coming here, it's just really blown me away. It's just still such a beautiful, untouched area for the most part, or at least compared to what I'm used to and Sarah's used to. And it's just so nice, especially in winter time. It's still pretty warm. You can come out and you can really get to these secluded places where nobody else is. And it's really nice. So they say that everybody should spend time in nature, that it lowers your blood pressure, de-stresses you. So if you have the chance, get out. Go find some place. You don't even really need to do like a lot of physical exertion. Just get somewhere and just participate, be in nature, relax and enjoy. For the longest time, Sara and I have been walking over here, and I've always looked in this direction. I always wanted to come over here, and for some reason I just never did. And that's one of my favorite things about nature, is just taking a different path and going and seeing what you can find. All right, so we've reached Bridal Veil Falls. It's probably my favorite waterfall around here. Wasn't really planning on going to it today, but run out of daylight. I'd really like to go see more of the lake and also this. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I don't know what we're gonna do. What do you think we should do? Better double time it. Running out of daylight. It was worth it. That was really awesome, but it is time to go and head back up and see if we could see some more of the lake. Sun is setting, and yeah, don't really want to be out alone by myself after dark. All right, that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. I had a lot of fun bringing you along with me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. And tell your friends about us if they like nature. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Look at that moon over there.